Ready na ba kayo sa isang intergalactic time travel adventure? Dahil officially open na ang Space and Time Cube Plus sa SM City, Pampanga. Ang bagong attraction na ito ay isang immersive experience zone kung saan pwede kang maglakad, mag-selfie at mag-explore sa futuristic rooms, glowing galaxies at Instagram-worthy installations. Lahat inspired by sci-fi vibes, outer space, and the concept of time travel. Ito ang unang branch nila sa labas ng Metro Manila, kaya't Central Luzon friends, this is your sign to step into a new dimension of fun. Ang Space and Time Cube ay kilala sa mga jaw-dropping installations, mind-bending illusions, at tech-powered attractions. Kung trip mong mag-picture sa mga kakaibang backdrop o sumubok ng interactive experiences na parang nasa ibang planeta, this is it. Enjoy the 24 attractions inside the cube. Kung mahilig ka sa kontento, gusto mo lang ng unique family bonding, this is the place to be. Perfect for barkada trips, date spots, or weekend escape with the kids.
So dito sa Pampanga, it's one of our biggest branch yet. We have really new attractions. We have very technologically forward. And we're so excited for Kapampangans and also people from Luzon to come and enjoy.
Located sa second floor ng SM City, Pampanga, bukas ang Space and Time Cube araw-araw. And for their opening treats, here are the discounted entrance fees. So, ano pang hinihintay mo, Gina, at i-explore ang kakaibang time and space journey? This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.